Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best turkey fryer is probably one of the most exciting ways to cook a Thanksgiving turkey, promising a crispy skin and a succulent interior that's hard to resist. But before you dive into this culinary adventure, there are crucial things to consider. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting the perfect deep turkey fryer, ensuring both safety and delicious results. Number 5. Masterbuilt 3-in-1 XL Electric Fryer. This innovative appliance lets you fry, steam, or boil. It's perfect for cooking your favorite foods without needing multiple appliances. The 10.6-quart pot can handle a lot. You can fry a 20-pound turkey, make a crawfish boil, or steam a big batch of veggies. It uses less oil than traditional fryers. This design helps reduce fat for healthier meals. It comes with drain clips and a cooking basket with a lifting hook. These features help you safely remove food from the fryer. The removable hinged lid and built-in drain valve make cleanup simple. Many components are also dishwasher safe. It has a magnetic breakaway cord for added safety. This feature helps prevent accidents in a kitchen. What we like. This electric fryer is a true kitchen multitasker, allowing you to fry, steam, and boil with a single appliance. It also uses less oil, making your meals a bit healthier. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-clean fryer for everyday use, this is a great choice. What people say. It gets to the right temperature and holds it consistently. The deep fryer is easy to use and heats up quickly, allowing for efficient cooking. One of the standout features of this deep fryer is its versatility. Not only can it be used for deep frying, but it also doubles as a boiler and steamer. Number 4. CreoleFeast TFS 3010 QT Turkey Fish Fryer Set. Introducing the CreoleFeast TFS 3010, your all-in-one outdoor cooking solution. This set is perfect for frying turkeys, steaming seafood, and boiling your favorite dishes. This set includes a 30 QT pot for turkeys and a 10 QT pot for fish and smaller items. It comes with everything you need, from baskets and racks to a thermometer and injector. The high-output burner ensures fast and even cooking. It provides the power needed to fry a large turkey or a basket of fish. Remember to control the air intake for a clean flame. Enhance your dishes with the included marinade injector. The instant read thermometer helps you monitor the oil temperature. The lifting hook and heat-resistant handles make it easy to handle. The sturdy stand with its 4 triangle legs provides a secure base. This design is crucial for safe outdoor cooking, especially when dealing with hot oil. What we like. This propane fryer offers a combo design with separate pots for turkey and fish, giving you flexibility in your cooking. The high-output burner ensures your food is cooked quickly and evenly. If you love hosting outdoor gatherings and need a complete setup for frying and boiling, this is the one for you. What people say. The fryer was straightforward to assemble, thanks to its user-friendly design. The 50,000 BTU cast iron burner provided ample heat, and the adjustable air control panel allowed for precise flame management. The included thermometer was instrumental in monitoring oil temperature, ensuring optimal cooking conditions. Number 3. King Kooker 1265 BF3 Outdoor Deep Fry Boil Package. This heavy-duty welded outdoor cooker is perfect for all your frying and boiling needs. It features a powerful 33,000 BTU cast burner, ensuring quick and efficient cooking every time. The package includes a 29-quart aluminum turkey pot with a lid and basket. It's ideal for preparing large meals, especially during the holidays. This pot makes cooking turkeys and other large items easy. For easy and safe handling, it comes with a turkey rack and lifting hook. This makes it simple to lower and lift your turkey or other items in and out of the hot oil or boiling water. This ensures safety and convenience. Also included is an 11-quart aluminum fry pan with a basket and a heat-resistant handle. This is perfect for frying smaller items like fish, chicken, or fries. The handle ensures safe and easy use. This portable propane outdoor cooker is designed for convenience and ease of use. It's perfect for outdoor events, camping, or simply enjoying a meal in your backyard. It is a great addition to any outdoor cooking setup. What we like. This outdoor fryer is built to last with its heavy-duty construction and powerful burner. It comes with everything you need to get started, including pots, baskets, and a turkey rack. If you enjoy outdoor cooking and want a reliable and complete frying setup, you'll love this one. What people say. It works great. The burner is easy to set up, and holds the pots comfortably. I worked great. This is the main reason I purchased this item. Number 2. VIVOHOME 30QT Turkey Fryer Kit. This fryer is incredibly versatile. You can fry turkey, fish, or even cook soup and vegetables. It's perfect for outdoor gatherings and camping trips. The fryer and basket are made of durable aluminum for excellent heat conduction. The sturdy steel stand ensures stability and a long lifespan for the product. The burner delivers a powerful 54,000 BTU heat output for quick and consistent cooking. It comes with a regulator to easily adjust the gas flow and maintain the desired temperature. The fryer has handles for easy movement and a basket with a handle for safe food removal. A chrome-plated hanger prevents burns when handling hot food. Remember not to heat the pot empty. The included thermometer allows for precise temperature monitoring, ensuring your food is cooked perfectly. The injector helps infuse flavor, making every bite delicious. What we like. This turkey fryer is incredibly versatile, allowing you to fry, boil, and steam a variety of foods. It's made from durable aluminum for optimal heat conduction. If you need precise temperature control and want to cook a wide range of dishes, it's a great option. What people say. Super easy setup and instructions for this turkey fryer. Cooked at 20 pounds bird at 3.5 minutes a pound, and this fryer did a great job. The pot is marked where the max oil should be. Number 1. ROVSUN 30QT Turkey and 10QT Fish Fryer Kit. This fryer kit boasts a powerful cast iron burner, delivering a maximum of 55,000 BTU. It ensures your food fries quickly and evenly. The included regulator allows you to adjust the gas flow. The kit comes with everything you need for safe and convenient frying. Included are a poultry rack with skewers, a rack lifter, a marinade injector, and a thermometer. These accessories make the process easy. The steel stand features a square shape with a stable base. This design provides secure support for the pot. The heat-resistant coating ensures durability and prevents fading. The outdoor fryer kit is simple to set up, requiring minimal assembly. You only need to assemble the burner parts and the basket handle. Then, it's ready to go. This deep fryer kit includes a 30QT pot for turkeys under 20 pounds and a 10QT pot for various foods. It's perfect for backyard parties, camping, and other outdoor events. You can make fish, fries, and more. What we like. This kit delivers a high heat output for fast and even frying, and it comes with all the accessories you need. The stable stand ensures safety during use. If you're looking for a powerful and complete frying solution for outdoor events, consider it. What people say. The 55,000 BTU propane gas burner heats up quickly, allowing for efficient frying. The kit includes both a 30QT turkey fryer and a 10QT fish fryer, so it's perfect for frying up large turkeys or smaller batches of seafood, fries, or chicken. The propane stove heats up quickly and gets the oil to the right temperature fast. The high BTU output means you can fry large amounts of food without a long wait. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.